Hello friends. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about 3 ways that you can set clear expectations with your child or your piano student about practicing. All right, the first way, if you're a parent and you have a child taking piano lessons, the first thing you need to do is to get clear on what the instructions are. You, as the parent, need to understand clearly what the teacher is expecting. Some teachers are better than others at giving really clear instructions. So you might need to just chat with the teacher, or if they send home lesson notes, make sure you go over those and you go over the assignment so that you are clear. Okay, that's the first thing. All right, and if you like videos like this, let me know. Click on like. And a lot of people that watch these videos aren't subscribed to the channel. It would really help me out if you would subscribe. Thank you. Okay, second thing, once you know what the instructions are, make a plan for the day. Okay, this is something that a lot of people don't do, but it is so powerful. If you say, okay, today, say there's 4 lines of a song that a student needs to learn. They don't need to learn all 4 lines in one day. Today, we're going to learn line number 1 of this song. Okay, so you make a plan. What's the assignment? It's this song, and it's this song, and it's this exercise. Okay, how much are we going to learn from each one of those assignments? Break it down into small bite-sized pieces. And then create a practice approach. Usually the teacher helps with this. If you have no idea, contact the teacher. But a lot of times when students are learning, they have to play very slowly and hand separately. So we're just going to do one line, right hand alone 3 times, left hand alone 3 times, then together 3 times. See, you've made a plan. And then what to do on each of those assignments. So that's your plan for the day. It's very clear and helpful for the student. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried making a plan for each day that you practice or have your child practice? Let me know if you ever have, and if you haven't, try it, and how does it work? Okay, now, like an employee with a job description, the best employees get the best instructions. So let's say that you get a job, whatever that job is. Here you're supposed to do A, B, C, and then D, E, F, the things through the day. Make sure everything's clean at the end of your shift. And there's your locker. Lockers are in that room back there. And go. And you're supposed to kind of, on those vague instructions, try to do what you're supposed to do. And you do your very best, but you're not working out after a week. Things aren't going well, so you're fired. That's how it feels for kids when they're practicing. They don't know exactly what to do. If you think that, well, if my child really loves it, they'll practice. That's a myth. That does not happen. They don't understand how to practice. They just need help. They need to be taught how to practice in order for them to do it effectively. Now, if that same employer said, okay, here's what you need to do. In the first hour, we set up. Walk over to the cupboard where whatever things are kept. This, they all need to be laid out here. Okay, then once everything's set up, you do this. And they walk you through it with very clear instructions. And then here's your locker. And they take you back and they make sure the combination works. And they show you how to get everything away. And they show you how to clean everything at the end. What are those expectations? You're going to be much happier because you know what to do. You'll perform much better on your job. Same thing with the kids. If you just tell them, okay, practice, just make it better. That doesn't help. They need step-by-step instructions. Okay, so our 3 things were to get instructions for yourself as the parent so that you're very clear on what they're supposed to do. Make a plan for the day of what assignments to work on, how much, and how you're going to practice those. And 3, give them step-by-step instructions to follow. All right, like a perfect cadence. This is the end.